So you're a candidate for dental implants and you're ready to move forward with treatment. You may be wondering what comes next. Here are some of the things to expect for your upcoming dental implant surgery. First, you'll begin with a free consultation where all of your questions will be answered by Dr. Alptekin and his knowledgeable staff. You'll know step by step what to expect, so there'll be no surprises. Next, your digital records will be obtained through photographs, internal mouth scans, and x-rays. At Nuarch, planning is vitally important to ensuring the success of your placement. Keeping surgery as minimally invasive for the comfort of our patients is possible through a combination of pre-planning, experience, and technology. Nuarch takes the time to make a treatment plan as individual as you are. Due to Nuarch's in-house lab, patients often walk out of surgery with a new set of teeth on the very same day. This means you can return back to life with proper functionality and minimal discomfort. Exact healing time can vary per patient, but with the expertise of Dr. Alptekin, you can rest assured that you're in the most capable hands. At the end of the day, this is a surgical procedure and one that Nuarch takes very seriously. With the proper team, dental implant placement can be an incredible experience for patients. Come into Nuarch to develop a personalized treatment plan and walk out with the smile of your dreams.